Neuraltext Enterprise Pricing explained what you get for your money. Neuraltext Enterprise isn't just another writing tool, it's a full-scale platform designed for teams and organizations that need to produce content at scale. Most people get this wrong, thinking it's only for individual writers, but enterprise plans unlock advanced automation, collaboration, and analytics features. Pricing for Neuraltext Enterprise is custom and depends on the number of users, content volume, and specialized features. Enterprise clients often pay thousands per month, reflecting the power, flexibility, and support included. The surprising truth is that Neuraltext Enterprise can handle large-scale content campaigns while keeping your brand voice consistent. For example, a digital marketing agency managing multiple clients can generate SEO-optimized blog posts, social media content, and a copy simultaneously, all from a single platform. Enterprise plans include features like team collaboration, with role-based permissions, priority support, unlimited content generation, and analytics to measure performance. Security is a top priority with single sign-on, so audit logs and compliance measures to protect sensitive business data. In conclusion, Neuraltext Enterprise pricing reflects a platform built for organizations that need scalable, efficient, and secure-driven content creation. If your goal is to streamline content workflows and empower teams with Neuraltext Enterprise is more than a writing tool, it's a productivity engine for businesses.